Hello my alien students, hope all are good. Okay, so today what we will be having, what will John teach you all today? See, today our course is, or let's say our aim, my aim is to make you all aliens. Aliens where? In designing sprinklers. Okay, not designing, I would say, modeling sprinklers in Revit. Okay, so what we have is, we have an AutoCAD file. This is an AutoCAD file, and we have this beautiful sprinkler design, isn't it? Okay, so what we will do is, okay, we will link this AutoCAD sprinkler model inside drawing into a Revit file. So we are into a blank screen, okay, in Revit. So we will do it. Okay, I want you to sit back, enjoy this beautiful alien class. Okay, we're going to do it from a blank screen as usual, isn't it? Because sometimes they do exist, what do you say, humans, isn't it? So we need to do it from blank screen. What to do? Anyway, okay, excuses apart, let's start. Okay, first thing what you'll do, click a new, or let's say we have a system default metric. Okay, click that. Why are we doing system default metric? John, why are we doing system default metric? Because we don't have any other job? No, not that. We are doing that because we are doing MEP. Okay, okay, let it do its loading, and then we shall move forward. Okay, in the meantime we can listen to some music. Okay, I think sometimes YouTube loves to play with me. Okay. Okay, now what we have done, we got a blank screen, isn't it? Okay, just a second. Okay, yeah, now back to the music. Okay, listen. So we have a blank screen, isn't it? We have electrical here. We do not want electrical. We have plumbing here. Okay, so just for your information, you come to System tab. You find your friend a sprinkler here. Okay, one more thing you understand is, okay, sprinklers. This guy comes under mechanical. Let's say I need to have these, let's say levels, not these levels, these, let's say instead of HVAC I need to see firefighting or sprinkler or whatever may be the story. My question is, how do you do it? Okay, plumbing I hate it. Okay, how do we do it? Very nice question, isn't it? Okay, what I'll tell you is, listen, select everything. How am I selecting? I'm just using my control from the keyboard and left click from in my mouse. Okay, okay, and then what I'll do is I'll say right click. Okay, this guy is not helping me. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to do these two together. Again, he's not helping. Okay, do it individually. What to do? Duplicate, duplicate. Okay, same story you will follow for the other one also. Let's say duplicate, duplicate. Okay, where is this? Duplicate, duplicate, good. And what is that? Duplicate, duplicate, good. Okay, for some reason you can't see the copies written. Okay, don't take any tension. Listen, select one of them. Select one of these devils, not one of these devils, one of the views. Okay, floor plan, like what I have done. Okay, what you'll do is, say this is called sub-discipline. This is the discipline, and this is called sub-discipline. Mechanical is the discipline, and this guy is called sub-discipline. Okay. See, discipline, mechanical, sub-discipline, where am I? Okay, click this, you would see it. Yeah, sub-discipline, HVAC. Okay, we do not want HVAC, we want, let's say, firefighting, or firefighting, FF. Okay, and then what you'll do, when I press apply, you would see him. Just a second, I think I have not selected it. Listen, select this, select these. Okay, he wants to play with John, let him play. He is playing with the wrong person. Okay, you selected pressing control key. Okay, can you see firefighting? Firefighting is not there. Press FF. Okay, and click apply. Okay, he's playing with me. No worries. Listen, click once. FF. Okay. Sometimes he will be a bit stubborn. Now he became normal. He got his medicine. Okay, he came to know John is playing. Okay, anyway, not his students. Okay, listen. Same story. Press control and tell him come here. Okay, so now you know, can we say, not you know, we know how do we make firefighting separate level. Listen, we need also 3D. We can do it, don't worry. Okay, duplicate, he's not happy. Okay, we actually what we can do is play cheating. We do not want hatchback. We need like this. Okay, same story here. Okay, so that's called good habit. And say, let's say, change the name later. Level 1, isn't it? Okay, and then level 2. This looks good. Okay, this is a level 2. Okay, all good? Yeah, excellent. Okay, so this much is clear for you all, isn't it? Let's say go to level 1 and double click and say adios. Okay, isn't it? So now this is clear. We've done our so-called homework. Let's say setup. Okay, now what you will do? You would insert what a link. Let's say link the Revit file, the Revit architecture file, isn't it? Because Revit, we need a Revit architectural file, isn't it? We need the ceiling for this to be done. Okay, so then this next video I'll show you how to link the architectural file where in Revit. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this part 1 of the story. We shall let's say we shall meet each other in the next class. Okay, take care, and I think we can say bye, isn't it? Yalla, bye.